pinpointer. Are you fucking kidding me? Is it working? Yeah, it's working. No lights coming on. You know what it is, because the detector's picking up all the iron in the concrete. Oh, hang on. Oh, green, red, blue. Oh, I'm on it. That's here. There you go, look. I was getting all stressed. Thing is with this pinpoint, like, it could be deep in the ground. It might not necessarily be right there. I've lost it again. Oh, hang on. No, I'm on it again. Well, that's it there. That's an old nail. Oh dear. Air raid shelter fine, people. An old nail. Oh dear. Not a bullet. Alright. So that's what I want. That's what I'm hunting for, a bullet. Anyway, we'll see.